Hey everybody, I'm making this video because I had a lot of problems accessing my webcam on my Samsung laptop, and I figured that if anybody else has a Samsung laptop out there and they're having trouble getting access to their webcam, this might be a good solution for them. So for some reason I was trying to access my camera app through Windows. When I type in camera here, I click on it and it would say give me this error and say no cameras are attached. Trying to use Zoom, nothing would work. You'd get no camera output, and it was really frustrating. So the default steps that they have you troubleshoot online is to go through Windows Update, but if you check through all your Windows updates and everything works good, then the next step is to go to the device manager, and they'll ask you to look through your devices, and as you can see here, I have camera right here, and it shows webcam. But in my case, I didn't even see the webcam option. There was no camera option here. There was no imaging devices option here. The camera wasn't even showing up in the device manager. So there's nothing showing up in the device manager. The cameras aren't working. Updates are all installed. What could be the issue? And so it turns out that there's this little pesky setting just for Samsung laptops that you can find by searching Samsung settings. So if I click here, Samsung settings, you'll get this little Samsung settings box, and this is unique to Samsung laptops. And it turns out, after a lot of frustration, if you look here in the, not audio, sorry, it's the privacy protection, there's this block recording setting right here. If you set it to high, which is right over here on the end, then basically it will turn off the microphone, it'll turn off the camera from all possible applications, and your camera won't even exist on the Windows device manager. You won't be able to find it. There'll be no reference to a webcam, and you can try to install drivers, do whatever you want, but it will be like it's totally invisible. So I'm not turning this off now, because if I were to turn this off to block, my audio input would cut off. You wouldn't see me, you wouldn't see anything. But I set it to medium, and you can set it depending on what you want, to medium or low. But if you set it on high, which is here, the block function, will completely block out all microphones. You won't be able to see anything. So just set this to the middle or set this to low, depending on what you want. I usually just set it in the middle, and it'll tell me if the camera is turned on, and that will fix all of your problems. You'll be able to access your camera, you'll be able to do Zoom, whatever you need to do. So if this video was helpful, please let me know, and have a great day. Thanks.